If your screen reads, iPhone is disabled, connect to iTunes. The most likely cause is more than 10 wrong passcode attempts. You will need to erase all of your iPhone content and settings to make your iPhone come back to the normal again. In this video we will show you 3 ways to fix iPhone is disabled, connect to iTunes issue. Way 1. Fix disabled iPhone via iTunes. As it shows on iPhone screen, the first method we recommend is using iTunes to fix disabled iPhone. Put your iPhone in recovery mode, connect your iPhone to computer and run iTunes. After iTunes detects iPhone and shows a message that there is a problem, press on the Restore option onto Restore iPhone, and then confirm it. After that, your iPhone is come back to the factory settings, and the disabled iPhone is fixed as well. Way 2. Using Joyoshare iPasscode Unlocker to fix disabled iPhone. Joyoshare iPasscode Unlocker is professional iOS unlocking software, which able to fix disabled iPhone effectively. Moreover, it helps you remove Apple ID from iPhone, bypass MDM and screen time passcode without losing any data. You can try the following steps to fix a disabled iPhone with Joyoshare iPasscode Unlocker. Launch Joyoshare iPasscode Unlocker on PC or Mac. Select the Unlock iOS screen option, and click the Start button to continue, and connect the disabled iPhone to the PC or Mac. Put your iPhone into DFU mode or recovery mode after you did it. Click Next button to proceed. Click Download button, and it start to download and verify the firmware package. After that, click Unlock button, and confirm it. Joyoshare iPasscode Unlocker will unzip the firmware package, and unlock iPhone. Way 3. Fix disabled iPhone through Find My iPhone. Enter in iCloud.com, and sign in it with your Apple ID. Then choose Find iPhone feature. After that, select the disabled iPhone you want to fix. Click the Erase iPhone button to factory reset your iPhone, and then the disabled iPhone will be fixed.